Right, so I'm always on the lookout for more storage boxes for stuff in the workshop to store materials and general maker clutter that I seem to collect. And I came across these boxes on local auction place, and they need a bit of repair, but they came really cheap. These boxes are normally like 20 quid new, and I got them for 2 quid each. So we're going to do some repairs to plastic boxes this week. Okay, so some of these are fine, but it looks like some of these have had a bit of a hard life. This one looks like it's got some more grit or gravel in it, and it's completely broken at the sides, so we're going to use a plastic welding gun, this thing, and we're going to repair it. Okay, so some of the boxes are like this one, where it's been banged around a little bit. You can see all the little white defects where it's been banged. But whose is this one? Blah. But actually there's no cracks or breaks in it. So what we'll do is we'll just heat up the corners just to get rid of the white marks and help relieve the stresses in the plastic. And we'll call that one done. To do that, we're going to use a hot air gun, because it is the simplest solution for this. And so this plastic is a thermoplastic, so it melts pretty readily. And what we're going to do is we're going to heat the corner until that white fades. It's not going to go away entirely, but it will certainly fade. Okay, so this thing takes these little random shaped bits of metal, well, not random, and it comes with 4 of them. There's these ones, which are for corners, on the inside of corners. There's these ones, which do the outside corners. And then there's these ones, which stitch across a crack like this. And then there's these very little wavy ones, which stitch across a crack this way. And you put them in and then you break the little legs off. And so I've changed the box we're given because this is a better example for using all of them. So there's this crack here, which we need to sort out with a combination of the zigzaggy ones. And then there's another crack in this corner, which is a bit more significant. And we'll use the corner ones on that, and I'll show you how they work. Okay, so you can see this crack here is coming along here. And the force has got to the end of the crack, and then it's splayed out into the plastic, but not enough to break the plastic. So we're going to reinforce that by making sure that the first bend doesn't actually go over the crack, it's beyond it. And then we'll do the thing. And this works by, you pull the trigger, and the piece of metal gets really hot, and then it starts to glow, like this. And then you just embed it in here as it's hot. So hopefully I can do this without getting too much in the way. So take this, it's completely in the way, isn't it? Ah, there we go, focus. There we go. Like that. Like this. And then we'll do one more up here, but we've got to hold this together. Hold it together while we do it, so we might end up with a hand or an arm in the way. So, and then that's going to go in there like that. And all we have to do is to pull the trigger, let it smoke a bit, and then pop it in. And then let go of the trigger, then let the plastic cool and set around the bubble. Okay. So this is the big seam that had the crack that was all the way down here. You can see all the little staples that I put in, and I heated it all up with the hot air gun and just ran the back of the spoon down it just to help fuse the other bits of plastic together. Apparently you can use infill strips, but I don't have any. I don't particularly want to sacrifice a box, so this will have to do. But now it's pretty. I mean, it will still be a weak point probably, but for containing things on a shelf, it will be absolutely grand.
Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.